Hey guys, it's Ollie. Welcome back to another video. Hey guys, it's Ollie. Welcome back to another video. Today we are challenging the 8th gym badge. Yes, I should have a legendary deck. But I don't have that much legendaries. I have some shinies. As you can see, Rayquaza, Foolish Gold deck. Shiny Vanillite. I want a Shiny Vanillite in my team. Whatever that guy's name is, I can have him. Halucha. Ooh, I like Halucha. Oh, but that's not any legendaries. We only have 2 legendaries, guys. We have his level 6 Alakazam. We can use Alakazam, but it'll be weak. Oh, wow. Where's my Alakazam? Somewhere. Okay, let's not worry about that and worry about something else. Alright guys, I moved the face cam in just to show you guys, or you won't see, okay, I'll tell you later, because I don't want you to see, what I'm doing right now. I really do not. Okay. Did you guys see that? I skipped a trainer. Oh, who saw that? Because I just skipped the trainer, I guess. Oh my god, I skipped this guy. Wow. I can skip this guy. Okay, I have to battle him. Why did they name us after Mario characters? So, what's her name? Peach? Oh my god. She have to be a princess. At least make it, okay, no. I need a fire type Pokemon. Go! Go! Camel up. It's super effective. But fire type move is gonna be effective on. Oh no. Camel Up is unable to battle. Oh, take this! You'll never beat my legendary Pokemon, Rayquaza! Oh, Rayquaza, Dragon Rush. Ha! That took so much damage. Rayquaza's actually pretty good, I guess. Yeah, Rayquaza's pretty good. That's the same Pokemon? No, it's not the same Pokemon. It's similar. Dragon Rush. It's a critical hit. Super effective. I think Dragon type moves are super effective. Okay, I think we got this gym. We got this gym, but we had to heal our Pokemon. You know, I can just go back to that box. They put a box there for something, I think. Yeah, they put the box there. We could, change Pokemon to, let's change, which one makes it that one? Yeah. I'm lucky I have so many good Pokemon. Okay. Oh, I remember you. You fooled my plans at Lavender Town. I bet you, okay. Yep, I did not expect that. Yes, I knew because I watched Pokemon. I know everything because I watched Pokemon. Golem. I thought oh yeah, Golem's his first Pokemon. Scott. Okay. Scott, please don't faint. Lifeless, you gave up on me. You're not trust. Aquatail. Alright. I got some water type Pokemon that can actually beat this guy. That gave me nothing. Who saw that? Who saw that? Right there. It did nothing. The trio. No. The trio is actually kind of weak in my opinion. I slam it down with Aquatail. I have to be Mewtwo at the end, guys. I challenges him many times, but I always lost. But psychic types. Wow, super effective against dog types. Yeah, dog type. That's correct. I don't have any dog types, but this thing I think now. Needle King, Aquatail. Oh yeah, it's not very effective. It's super effective. I have water types. Yay, Needle King is unable to battle. We are winning. We are winning. Yeah, we're winning. What Pokemon is sending out? Gil Queen. That's like the same Pokemon. Why? Go Vanilluxe. Water Pulse. That didn't take that much damage though. It's confused. Yes, we got this. It hit its own self. It's super effective. What? What? Now it's barely nothing again. 245 HP, that's pretty good. No. Just wait. Rhydon's dead. But didn't have to be, Mewtwo. No, Vanilluxe. I'll just be... Oh no, Holucha. I'm saving my legends for the end. Holucha! Drain Punch. It didn't get drained though. Mewtwo, oh my god. Okay, let's just stick with Holucha with Mewtwo. Now. How did he even get Mewtwo? No, Holucha. Go Zapdos. Zapdos, I believe in you, even though I'm dead. Detect. Haha, I protected myself. Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt, please. No. What? It's at so low health. We got this, Rayquaza. We got this, Rayquaza. Don't quit. Yes! Yeah! We got the gym badge! Yes! You're just better than me. Having lost, I cannot face my followers. I have betrayed their trust, and I'm disbanding Team Rocket. And here, the off badge. Fox Gamer has owned the off badge. You're ready for the Elite Four. There's Cave Cup Victory Road. That's your next destination. Okay, I have to skip these trainers still. Alright. I'm gonna buy more Pokemon. I got the 8th gym badge. Yay! My Pokemon are kinda weak, I think. I'm actually gonna get Robux, but that is all. I hope you enjoy this YouTube video. Smash a huge smash me a huge thumbs up, and let's see, what is this? Okay, but smash up now. Let's get 2 likes. I know we got this. We always get everything. We got everything. Alright. And guys, Dark Steelets. Bye guys.